Meaning of epicene.
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 Epicene. The word epicene refers to something or someone that is genderless or has characteristics of both genders. It can also describe a style or feature that is not specific to either male or female. The term is often used in literature and linguistics to describe words or names that are applicable to both sexes. In modern times, the concept of epicene has become increasingly relevant as society moves towards more gender-neutral language and expression. Ultimately, epicene refers to a state that transcends traditional gender norms, allowing for greater freedom and inclusivity.